Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our live broadcast streaming
Order filled.
futures during the FOMC day, the very volatile and very unusual activity. The market is trying to sell, but at the same time, it feels very rippy. Looks like there are some good news coming from Google, Microsoft, and Meta after the market close in literally 20 minutes. So the massive sell-off is not happening. So the only way here is to scrape by here and there, just slice and dice between the established levels over here. So far it's been working really well for the past hour. As you can see, pink are the sell entries and blue are the buy entries. A couple of times I actually went long. It worked to a very limited extent, but once the day is over, we'll pull up the stats and see how many winning trades were in a long direction and how many winning trades were in short directions. We will see what was the most favorable tactic for the post-FOMC announcement. There were, as you can see, there were no trades during this press release time. I'm not sure if it was supposed to be blacked out by some brokers, but I just did it anyway, just for my own sake and to not to stress out that much. Yes, the expectation was that that will move down, but it wasn't 100% clear. So I decided to wait it out. So far, the result for the day is pretty decent. Yesterday was a brutal push with no pullbacks and it was really annoying. And, I got stuck with my shorts and suffered some losses, which was very stupid of me.
Order filled.
Okay, let's try this level. ES is really trying to recover all the way to 69.30. We'll see if they're gonna be capable of doing so by the end of the day. Most likely it will flip-flop into the close for the next how many minutes we have? 14 minutes till close, and then will be decisive move. Based on the reports from the three big companies.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Okay. Another little scrape. 18 points. Yeah, it's trying to get to my target. Okay, would have been done, but wasn't clear if it's gonna push back or not. So let's wait for another pop-up, if any. and sell the pop again, maybe somewhere around 30, 35. It's clearly pushing up. It's clearly trying to reclaim the levels. Looks like there is a big expectation for amazing quarter. Again, all these like acquisition and deals that's been struck in the last quarter between all major companies and OpenAI, and looks like the euphoria will continue, and we are risking seeing 7,000 on ES as soon as early November or even this week. It's the bears are definitely not having fun here right now. I mean, come on. We flashed from 40 to 85. You can argue that it's a decent flash, 55 points, but not even a full percent, which has been recovered almost completely by now. Super annoying for bears, but it is what it is. Okay, let's try again.
Order filled.
It's risky, but again, the risk is here is right now defined. We can try to go through 40 maybe, but at the same time, it looks very exhausted. So we might actually flush in a minute. The last 10 minutes of algo trading is coming up. Let's see where they're gonna take us. Yeah, okay. It's a rip. It's a rip, and it's someone knows something. Someone knows something. Let's see, I'm not gonna add right now. Let's see how far they're gonna take us. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, this market is not done yet. At least until Thursday, until we're done with the big chip reports.
Order
Okay,
filled.
okay, we fully retraced the flush. Okay, let's see. That was nasty. That was very, very nasty. Okay, let's
Order submitted.
get out break even if it comes back down to it. Yep, that was nasty. ES is struggling a little bit more than MNQ. CES has at least 15 points more to recover the initial flush position, but we'll see. We still got some time. Got 8 minutes to go. Well, so much for exhaustion. So much for exhaustion. Just ripped through it. I mean, look, it's a level, flat, like classic analysis would have told us, like, higher low, higher low, higher low, and then it ripped. Ugh. Annoying. Very annoying to be a bear. Oh, come on. Didn't close it.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order filled. Order cancelled.
Okay. Didn't work for me. But got out almost. Almost unbeaten. Almost with no scars. Let's see. Okay, let's try it again.
Order filled.
Let's try it again. I think we're done here. High of the day was 320 and we got to 280. Come on. Come on. Bears really dropped the soap. Everyone was short. Everyone was short. Yes, so there was initial kind of momentum which was allowed to happen. Okay, give us
Order filled.
flat. Now look at that. Let's look at that again. Okay, well let's repeat it again. Now somewhere at 70 maybe, if it has the power to go there. 65, 68, okay.
Order filled.
Fine. I mean, it's coiling up, but again, the risk reward here is really great. Yeah, we can push 2A past 280, even 300, but there is so much space downside. So much. Even all the way to, I don't know, to the breakout point, like 225. Okay, let's set it up at 225.
Order submitted. Scraping, scalping, slicing, and keeping it fun, not stressing out too much. All right, things are getting better. Come on. Don't wanna? Okay, let's go for 40. Points. Yeah, volatility is definitely there. Volatility is a trader's friend. Look at this. Yesterday it was going, crawling like by 10 points an hour. Now you can make 15 points up or down, whatever is your preference, in a matter of 2 minutes. Come on. Come down. Okay. Order filled. Order cancelled.
Okay. It doesn't want to come down. $47.
Yeah, my target was 38. Nah, let's see. Let's see. We have 3 minutes to go, and then we will know the direction of the market for tomorrow. It will be very surprising if Google at least will not pop up really seriously, because Google is the company that's been underappreciated for a long time, but they are the ones that directly benefit from all the AI integration in the way that it exists right now. It's right there. They already putting it into search.
Order filled.
Okay, let's try again. Last minute. Let's see if we flush it a little bit. Scared. Scared bulls. Let's try.
Order submitted.
The bulls are really, really, really not. Bulls are really fearless here, or it's just a short squeeze. Come on, bears, step up. No, no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Look at that. Look at that. And we're going even higher. Okay. Let's see what are in the news. There you go, 50 points, right? Just like that. We reclaimed the sell-off area and we got even more. Okay, 100 points. That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous, but this is what exactly was expected. Okay.
Order filled.
Let's see if we can get breakout of this with some minimal damage. but yeah, it's not
Order
good.
submitted.
It's not good. Bulls are killing it. Okay,
Order filled.
okay. That was something really annoying. Oh, oh, look at this crap.
Order filled.
Okay, I'll have to try 50. I mean, come on. So what do we have?
Order filled.
260. What a range. Now we're selling. Super annoying. Okay, let's see. What do we have? Microsoft did. Okay, Microsoft is not doing very well. Let's see. Microsoft beats 367 estimate, and the sales 77 billion on 75 billion expected. I mean, it's pretty good. What's the problem? What's the problem? Yeah, they got $4 versus 367 that was estimated, and then they're flashing. Come on, can't be serious. Anyway, let's see Meta. Did they report already? Okay, Meta reported. Let's see how they react. Meta is crashing too. Wonderful. Wonderful. Crashing hard. What do we have? 50, $60. It's 8%. $70. That's 10% already. It's just complete annihilation. Wow. So much for the pop-up to 380. What a sham. What a sham. Okay, now Google. And Google is popping up. Alphabet 287 versus 226. Okay, good job, Google. So anyway, everyone is doing pretty well.
Order filled.
Everyone is doing pretty well, but for some reason, everything is crashing. No, except Google. Well, as I predicted. So far, big win for me.
Order filled.
Okay, a little scrape. That was a really big bounce from 60 to 233. Wow, this is speculators heaven. Look at this. We got to a very nice clear level of 56, 55, 60, 161. And in a minute or two, we got 80 points up. I mean, come on. This is awesome. So Google popped up $20, which is pretty good. It's 6%. It's pretty good. But it's struggling to hold gains. Struggling to hold the gains. Yep, almost 7%. Now at 85. $102 billion in revenue. It's pretty sweet. 7 times more than OpenAI with their ChatGPT. Google is a real crown jewel so far. Meta, people getting tired of it. I will not be surprised if eventually there will be a mass exodus from Meta, because yeah, younger generation they like Instagram, but that's not gonna be enough to save Meta, at least at the levels they are flying right now, which are pretty generous if you ask me. They miss on EPS. Stock plummets more than 6% on Meta. there you go. Google is holding. It's good. So Google is holding the market right now. Let's see what they say about Microsoft. Okay. Meta recovered a little bit, but it was nasty. Nasty, nasty, nasty. It was almost 10% at some point. Wonderful flip-flop. Just wonderful. Okay, I think we're done here. At least for futures, I think they gonna wait till tomorrow. Let's see how's gold doing. Gold at the levels unseen since October 6. Okay, the fact that the gold couldn't hold 4,000 is quite concerning for the bulls. So if there will be more good news from China on October 30th, then I think we might retest at least this level. 36.85. And that might be the good cautious entry point for die-hard gold bulls that believe that we're moving higher. According to Bank of America, we can see 5,000 or even higher within the next 12 months. So if you trust them, and if gold dips all the way here, which is 250, let's see, 250. It's not now trusty calculator. %, easy. It's going to be 16% from the top, which is again will not trigger the alarm for the bear market, and it will be quite healthy pullback after such an incredible run. So yeah, if you are a bull for gold, this is going to be a good spot to try it. Small position, expecting that there might be even more dip. Even like, I wouldn't be surprised we can go all the way to the summer levels, like 34.50. Easy. Okay, let's set up the level. Okay. Let's go back to MES. MES is having a flat top after these monster gaps. Will we have a little sell-off tomorrow morning, or even during the Asia session and overnight when the London opens up? We might. But for now, it's time to take a break and see what's what. Thank you very much for everyone checking this video out, and see you next time. Over and out.